Half moon with backward bending and hands to feet pose. Stand with your feet together. Inhale, stretch your arms out, up, and over your head sideways. Bring your palms together. Interlock your fingers. Release your index fingers. Thumbs crossed. Grip tight. Arms and head stay together. Inhale, stretch up and try to touch the ceiling. Exhale, and slowly bend your body right and left several times. You should feel stretching throughout both sides of your body. As you pass through the center, stretch up and try to touch the ceiling. Create as much length as possible. Stop in the center. Wrists straight, elbows locked, biceps always touching with your ears, palms stay together. Hips tight, thighs tight, knees locked, hips slightly forward, arms and upper body back, chin away from your chest, push down through your heels. Inhale, abdomen and spine straight, stretch up, try to touch the ceiling. Exhale and slowly bend your body to the right, elbows and knees stay locked, arms and head together. Push your hips to the left to feel stretching throughout your entire left side. Hips forward, arms and upper body back, weight in your heels. Left hip forward to keep your hips parallel to the front mirror. Right shoulder forward to open your shoulders, chest, and rib cage. Chin away from your chest, throat visible in the mirror, throat relaxed, breathe normally through your nose. Push your hips and bend your body. Feel stretching throughout your entire left side. Push your hips, bend your body. Inhale and slowly come up. Stop in the center. Inhale, full lungs, stretch up, try to touch the ceiling. Exhale, push your hips to the right, slowly bend your body to the left. Push your hips continuously to the right, heels down, knees locked, thighs tight, arms and upper body back, chin away from your chest. Push your hips to the right, bend your body to the left. Feel tremendous stretching throughout the entire right side of your body, from your heels all the way through your fingertips. Push your hips, bend your body, weight in your heels, thighs tight, knees locked, abdomen in, push, breathe, stretch, inhale, slowly come up. Next is backward bending. Please breathe throughout the posture. Inhale, stretch up as high as possible, slowly look back across the ceiling, try to see the wall behind you, head back, neck relaxed. Inhale, chest up, stretch your arms back, try to touch the wall behind you, bend your upper body back to compress your entire spine through your lower, middle, and upper back. Hips tight, thighs tight, knees locked, weight in your heels. Inhale, chest up, exhale, legs, hips, abdomen, push forward. Arms back, look back, lean back, go back, try to touch the wall behind you. Inhale and slowly come up, spine straight, stop in the center. Next is hands to feet pose. Inhale, stretch up, exhale, abdomen in, slowly bend forward. Bend your knees and place your hands on the floor in front of you. Slowly move your hips from side to side, right and left, gently warming up your hips, thighs, hamstring, and lower back. Keep your heels on the floor to begin with. Pull your abdomen in to relax your lower back. Grip your heels from behind, fingertips underneath your heels, baby fingers side by side, all 10 fingers together, thumbs included. Keep a tight grip. Bring your elbows together behind your calves. Pull on your heels to bring your upper and lower body together. Inhale, hips up. Exhale, push your knees back. Try to lock your knees. Abdomen on your thighs, chest on your knees, face on your shins. No gap between your upper and lower body. Exhale, slowly push your knees back. Try to lock your knees. Stretch the top of your head down toward your feet. Feel stretching throughout your legs, hips, and lower back. Abdomen in, roll your weight forward towards your toes. Exhale, touch your face to your shins. Lock your knees. Inhale, arms and head together. Bend your knees and slowly come up. Abdomen in, spine straight, stretch up, and arms down to your side.